Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Jane, and welcome to my channel. Good day class, I am Mrs. Ellie Jean Ruedas, your math teacher. For today's topic, we are going to discuss nature of the roots of quadratic equations. But before that, let's have a short recall. Find the values of A, B, and C in the following quadratic equations. Ano nga ba yung mga dapat nating tandaan para mahanap ang A, B, at C? Una, dapat ang quadratic equation ay nasa standard form. ax squared plus bx plus c para madaling mahanap ang A, B, at C. So number 1, A is equal to 1, B is positive 5, and C is positive 4. Number 2, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya naka-arrange in standard form. So, i-arrange muna natin siya. So, it becomes 2x squared plus x minus 21. So, A is positive 2, B is 1, and C is negative 21. For the next example, we have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. A is positive 4, B is positive 4, and C is positive 1. And for the last example, again, hindi na naman siya naka-arrange. So, arrange natin. X squared minus 2x minus 2 equals 0. A is 1, B is negative 2, and C is negative 2. For today's objectives, we are going to determine the discriminant of a quadratic equation. Identify the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. For today's lesson, just to remember, in the quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, the quantity or the radicand b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. This value can be used to describe the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Example, find the discriminant of the following quadratic equations. Number 1, x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. So let us identify first its A, B, and C. A is 1, B is negative 4, C is positive 4. Then solve for the discriminant. The discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. Substitute the value of b, which is negative 4. Then A is 1, and C is 4. So, negative 4 squared is positive 16 minus 4 times 1 times 4 is 16. So, 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, example number 2, x squared minus 7 equals 0. A is equal to 1. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, wala tayong linear term. So, B is equal to 0. And then, C is equal to negative 7. So, to solve for the discriminant, again, B squared minus 4AC. Substitute the value of B, which is a 0. And then, A is 1 and C is negative 7. 0 squared is 0. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 7 is positive 28. Therefore, the discriminant is positive 28. Next. Okay, example number 3. 4x squared minus 1 equals 0. Again, wala na naman siyang linear term. So, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to negative 1. Let's solve for the discriminant. b squared minus 4ac. Substitute the value of b, which is 0, and then substitute the values of a, 4, and c is negative 1. So 0 squared is 0. Negative 4 times 4 times negative 1 is positive 16. So therefore, 0 plus 16, 16 is the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Okay, next. 2x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. A is positive 2, B is negative 5, and C is positive 4. So solve for the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. Again, substitute the values of b, a, and c. So negative 5 squared is positive 25, and negative 4 times 2 times 4 is 32. So 25 minus 32 is negative 7. The discriminant of quadratic equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 4 is negative 7. Now let's analyze. We have discriminant, number of roots or solutions, and the nature of the roots. If b squared minus 4ac or the discriminant is equal to 0, we have one number of solution. It means the nature of the roots is real, rational, and equal. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, positive and a perfect square, we have two numbers of solution, real, rational, and not equal. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not a perfect square, okay, still we have two number of roots or solutions, but the nature of the roots become real, irrational, and not equal. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 or negative number, therefore there are no solutions and the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation has no real roots. So, balikan natin yung examples natin kanina na kinuha natin yung discriminant. So, identify natin ngayon yung roots na mapo-form niya. Sa number 1, x squared minus 4x plus 4, ang roots ng quadratic equation na yon, x is equal to 2. So, kung mapapansin natin, ang discriminant ay 0. So, ibig sabihin, it has only real, rational, equal roots. So, parehas na 2 ang solutions ng number 1 na quadratic equation. Okay, next. Number 2. X squared minus 7 equals 0. So, ang ating roots, ang discriminant ay positive 28. So, ibig sabihin, we have real, irrational, and equal roots. Kasi, yung 28 ay not perfect square. Ang roots ng x squared minus 7 is equal to positive square root of 7 and negative square root of 7. Okay, for the quadratic equation 4x squared minus 1 equals 0, the roots that we will get is x equals positive and negative 1/2. So, as you could see, ang discriminant natin ay 16, which is a perfect square. So, therefore, the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation is real, rational, and equal roots. For number 4, 2x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. So, using the quadratic formula, we will obtain x is equal to 5 plus minus square root of negative 7 all over 2. So, therefore, it has no solutions. So, tingnan nyo yung discriminant natin na na-solve, which is negative 7. So, therefore, we can conclude that the nature of the roots has no real roots.
Sorry, it's DJ.
can get some.
Challenge. If the equation x squared minus 2x plus k minus 1 equals 0 has two equal roots, what is the value of k? If you know the answer, write your answer in the comment box down below. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, don't hesitate to like and share this video. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na and click that notification bell para updated ka sa next upload ko. That's all for today. It's me again, Teacher Jane, na nagsasabing, Math is fun. God bless!